God, I love summer showers. I love year-round showers. I love rain. Living in California and having no rain, it's just beautiful. Here the rain comes down. You can see it out on the water. You can see it dripping down. It sort of looks like something in the thing, but look at how pretty that is. And on the water you can see it. Actually, you see it bouncing in the water down there. So cool. Nothing like a beautiful shower. Cleans the air, cools everything off a bit, keeps everything clean. Anyway, this is what a Florida shower is about. It's really, really nice.